The Poisonwood Bible by Barbara Kingsolver. The main characters in this book are Nathan Price, who is a reverend and also a missionary, Orleana Price, who is his wife. Rachel Price is their oldest daughter. Ada and Leah are the two middle daughters and they're twins, and Ruth May, who is the youngest daughter. The story starts in 1959 and goes through 1998. It starts in Sanderling Island, Georgia, where the Prices live a normal life. The father takes the family to a place in the Belgian Congo, which becomes Zaire. The Congo is consumed in a dark, scary rainforest that holds some of the world's most fierce animals. Sanderling, Georgia, 1959. Life for the Price family is a piece of cake, but imagine your father taking you from your home, your school, your friends, and your life, and forcing you to move out to a village in the hot and sticky Kalanga, Belgian Congo. As four young girls and their parents fly overseas with household items stuffed in their clothes, their lives change drastically. As a minister, Reverend Price tears his family apart with his decision to stay in the Congo as a war breaks out. Ruth May, the youngest of the daughters, is a tough little girl, yet when a witch doctor of the tribe lets a green mama into the chicken coop, it slithers out and bites her on the shoulder, and she dies a painful death. As her older sister, Rachel, tries to tell her parents. After Ruth May dies, the family goes through several problems. The mother has a chance to get out of the Congo, but is told that she can only take one of her children with her. The two twins go totally different ways, and the mother goes back to America with only one of her children. If you want to find out which child Orleana takes with her or what the title of the book really means, read Barbara Kingsolver's Poisonwood Bible.